Hi, dear students. How are you? I think all of you are very fine. Okay. So today we are going through the new lesson. It is a poem. Okay, and its name is "Don't Be Afraid of the Dark." Don't be afraid of the dark. Okay. All of you think dark. The meaning of the dark. All of you know. Here I am showing you some picture of the dark. Okay. Listen here. Look here. And some of us are very afraid about the dark. ഇരുട്ടിനെ പല ആളുകൾക്കും പേടിയാകുന്നു. And some of are afraid that if there have any ghost in the dark, ഇരുട്ടിൽ വല്ല ഗോസ്റ്റും ഉണ്ടോ, like this so many. And some of are afraid about the sounds which we are hearing at the dark, ഇരുട്ടിൽ കേൾക്കുന്ന ശബ്ദങ്ങൾ, which some of us are very afraid about these sounds which we are hearing at the dark. So here have another thought. What is that one? In this lesson we are going to study that don't be afraid of the dark. ഇരുട്ടിനെ പേടിക്കരുത്. Don't afraid about the dark. Okay, first I am reading. Okay, don't be afraid of dark, little one. The earth must rest when the day is done. The sun must be harsh, but moonlight never, and those stars will be shining forever and ever. Okay. So firstly I am adding here the word meanings of the first stanza. ആദ്യത്തെ 4 വരിയിലെ meaning. Rest, to sleep or relax. Okay, rest, to sleep or relax. All of you know it. Harsh means severe. Severe means strong. Okay. Forever means always, for always. Ever means also always. Okay. So these are the important word meanings from the first stanza. Okay. From the first stanza these meanings are very important. Okay, then look to the lines. We can go through the lines. Okay. Don't be afraid of dark. So don't afraid about the dark. ഇരുട്ടിനെ പേടിക്കരുത്. Don't be afraid about the dark. Little one, oh my little one, don't afraid of the dark. ചെറിയവനെ, don't be afraid about the dark. The earth must rush when the day is done. So the earth, our earth which we are living, it will go to take rest, it will relax or it will sleep when the day is done. When the day is gone, the earth will go to sleep and to take rest. Okay, that is telling in the second line. The earth goes to take rest at the night time, and the sun must be harsh, but at that time the sun will be harsh, it will be strong, it will be severe in another place. Okay. And but the moonlight never, but the moonlight it is not harsh, the light of the moon it is not severe, never, ഒരിക്കലും severe അല്ല. Okay. And those stars will be shining forever and forever, and those stars and the stars will be shining, it will be shining forever, for always and ever and always. The stars will be shining always and always. That is telling in this last line. Okay. Then next we are going to next paragraph. Okay, and I am adding here the important word meanings. Trouble means sadness. Cease means to stop. Peace, calm. Okay. Then we are going to next paragraph. Look, be friends with night, there is nothing to fear. Just let your thoughts travel to friends far and near. By day it does seems that our troubles won't cease, but at night, late at night, the world is at peace. Okay, then we are going through the meanings, through the lines. Okay, through the lines and its meaning. Okay, look, Be friends with night. So we have to be friend with a night. There is nothing to fear. So at night there have no anything to fear. പേടിക്കാനൊന്നുമില്ല. At night there have no anything to fear. Just let your thoughts travel to friends far and near. At night I hear telling that what you can do at night. രാത്രിയിൽ എന്ത് ചെയ്യണം? That is telling here. Just let your thought. At night you have to let your thoughts to travel your thought towards your friends. To your friends means towards your friends. നിങ്ങളുടെ ഫ്രണ്ട്സിൻ്റെ അടുത്തേക്ക്. You have to go your thought towards your friends far and near, with the friends who are living near you and who are living far from you. ഓക്കെ, നിൻ്റെ അടുത്തും അതുപോലെ തന്നെ ദൂരത്തുമുള്ള ഫ്രണ്ട്സിൻ്റെ അടുത്തേക്ക് you have to go your thought at night. By the day, in this line here is telling that what you have to do and what you are feeling at that time. That is telling in this third line of the second stanza. Look. By day, at the daytime, it does seems that our troubles won't cease. It does seems. It seems that what it seems to us. What is that? That our troubles, our sadness, our problems, our sadness won't cease. It is not going to stop. Our troubles are not going to stop. That is happening at daytime. At daytime, our problem, our sadness is not going to stop. That is telling here in this third line. Then look to next line. But at night, but at the night time, but at night, late at night, and at the late at the night, the world is at peace. But the night time, the world is in peace. The world is in calmness, in calm. There have no need to be afraid. So here is telling that at daytime there have so many sadness and it will not to be stopped. And at night time, it may be midnight or starting of the night. At the night time, the world is at peace. The world is in calmness. There have no need to be fear. No need to be fear. Ruskin Bond. This poem is written by Ruskin Bond. Ruskin Bond is a famous poet. He is a famous poet. So I think all of you are enjoyed this poem. Really I enjoyed this poem. Like that all of you are enjoyed this poem. Okay, and which is very easy to learn and understand to this poem. Thank you for watching. See you later. Thank you.